Will you be able to write down now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now today put a new topic, invitation writing. Hurry up. I had given you 4 ads to do. Have you done it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to invitation writing. Put the heading invitation writing. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is an invitation?
Inviting someone to an event.
Okay, it's an invitation. It is a kind of a request that we invite somebody to a function. Okay. We request somebody to come or to go somewhere or to attend a function. That is an invitation. Okay. Now, so invitations, they are of 2 kinds. What are those? Formal and informal
Informal.
invitation. Okay. Formal invitations, they are almost like formal letters only, but they are single sentence invitations, and mostly formal invitations, they are printed on cards. And as you might get the invitations regarding the birthdays, marriages, or some any other functions. Okay, maybe religious functions or some school functions. You see the invitations, they are printed on the card. Okay, and it is always in the 3rd person. Got it? तो वो क्या
Yes,
होते हैं? Formal invitations होते हैं. And what are informal invitations? Informal invitations are absolutely like informal letters only. Okay, as you write down the informal letters to your near and dear ones, similarly we have informal invitations only. वो भी एक तरह का informal letter है in which you invite your nearest and dearest one to attend some auspicious occasion that is being held, okay, in your house, at your place. So both the informal invitations, they are almost written like informal letters only. The sender's address is there, then the date is there, then the salutation, dear uncle, aunt, or your friend, whatever, and you can begin with the informal manner only. Hello, how are you? I hope this letter, and you can mention the occasion and everything, and you can invite the person. लेकिन फॉर्मल क्या होते हैं जो कार्ड्स वगैरह अभी भी so many marriages, you know, they are going to take place now, okay, in the month of this November and December. तो हम देखते हैं कई इनविटेशंस हमारे घर पर आते हैं जो कार्ड पर प्रिंटेड होते हैं, एंड दे आर नॉट इन फर्स्ट और सेकंड पर्सन ना, they are mostly always, I would say, they are in 3rd person. समझ गए बेटा? और देखते हैं हम सिंगल सेंटेंस है जहाँ पे द पर्सन हु इज इनवाइटिंग, उनके नाम होते हैं, ओकेजन्स हैं, कहाँ पर, किस डेट को, किस डे को, है ना, किस प्लेस पर, ठीक है, यू आर बीइंग इनवाइटेड, वो सब लिखा हुआ होता है, राइट? एंड दे आर व्हाट, एकदम सेंटर सेटिंग में होते हैं, देखते हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
सो कैन वी बिगिन?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you put the
Yes,
heading
ma'am.
invitations? Have you put the heading?
Yes.
Write down
Yes, ma'am.
invitations can be both formal and informal. Be fast in writing, better. Invitations can be both formal as well as informal. Okay. Invitations can be both formal as well as informal. Formal invitations can be printed on cards. Formal invitations can be printed on cards or can be drafted in the form of social letters, or can be drafted in the form of social letters. Written, can be drafted in the form of social letters, full stop. Formal invitations can be of two types. Formal invitations can be of two types. First one, printed cards inviting guests. Printed cards inviting guests to be present on a particular occasions. Printed invitation cards inviting guests to be present on a particular occasion. Such invitations do not include the name of the addressee. Such invitations do not include the name of the addressee. I hope everybody is writing. Everyone is writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Such invitations do not include the name of the addressee. Now, second point, formal typed, TYPED, brackets handwritten, letter, addressed to a VIP, addressed to a VIP, invited to preside, invited to preside over a social, cultural and educational function. Addressed to a VIP invited to preside over a social, cultural and educational function. Full stop. In these invitations to VIPs, the name of the addressee appears prominently. The name of the addressee appears prominently. Okay, fresh line. Formal invitations are formal and polite. Formal invitations are formal and polite, comma, pleasant and courteous. Pleasant and courteous. Full stop. Now write down the first point. A formal invitation is normally a single sentence presentation in third person. A formal invitation is normally a single sentence presentation in third person. Presentation in third person. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Second
Yes.
one. Formal invitations are generally printed invitation cards. Formal invitations are generally printed invitation cards. Comma. Used to invite. Used to invite. Used to invite guest on some occasion, like birthdays, weddings, inaugurations, etc. Written. The invitation, the invitation answers the questions.
Ma'am, third point.
Yes, beta. Third. The invitation answers the questions. You read these instructions very carefully, okay? अपने आप पढ़ोगे ना आप तो समझ में आ जाएगा आपको. The invitation answers the questions. Who, whom, when, where, what time, and for what. Put commas, okay? WH word के बाद comma लगाना. Who, comma, whom, comma, when, comma, where, comma, what time, and for what. And for what. That is means I dot E dot. That is the occasion, comma, the name of the invitee, the name or names, okay, name या फिर slash करके s लगा लो, names of the invitee, name or names of the host, comma, date, time, and venue. Next one, the other details include name, designation, an address of the organizer, an address of the organizer, comma, उसने रेडी की है क्या?
रेडी में देंगे क्या?
ले,
बोल के तो ज्यादा देंगे.
गरम कर दो या दो. Written.
Yes.
Address of the organizer, comma, sponsor or host. Sponsor or host. Or the name of the chief guest, or the name of the chief guest or special invitees, or the name of the chief guest or special invitees in case of an official invitation. In case of an official invitation. Written?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Written, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now see, now as these are the printed invitations, so they do not need or they do not include the name of the addressees. Okay. And now informal invitations, you know, beta? You can write down informal invitations. They generally take the shape of the informal letters. ही हैं, ये personal letters है ना. If you want to write, you can write down, but it's understood. Main तो थोड़ा सा formal का ही था ना. ठीक है? And we use these informal invitations to invite our friends, relatives, or dear ones and near ones. Okay? और जो informal invitations होती हैं, उनका जो tone, language होता है, काफी relaxed, informal and friendly होता है. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You can write down a question now. Formal invitation, take a question and we are going to write an invitation. Okay, we are going to draft a formal invitation. So write down the question. Messrs, you know, M capital, then slash
Yes,
and
ma'am.
small s.
Yes, ma'am.
Shyamlal and Sons. Messrs. Shyamlal and Sons are opening a new general store. Are opening a new general store. Inverted, single inverted. Galaxy, G capital. Galaxy. Galaxy Novelties, N capital, Novelties. Single inverted. In Gitanjali Enclave. Gitanjali. G capital GEETANJALI. Enclave. E capital ENCLAVE. Full stop. Oh, sorry, comma. Dwarika. D capital DWARIKA. Garam. Comma. Delhi. Full stop. The inauguration ceremony is fixed for Sunday. Is fixed for Sunday, comma. The 29th of November 29th of November 2020. You will not write down 20, put 2x at 11 a.m. At 11 a.m. Okay. Full stop. Prepare a draft of formal invitation. Prepare or draft a formal invitation. Write them like this. Prepare or draft a formal invitation, not exceeding 50 words. Done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now how will you begin? How will you begin? Whose name will come in the beginning? Hurry up.
Sanders.
Yes. Messrs. Shyamlal and Sons. What do they do? Announce the opening of Galaxy Novelties. Okay. A general store in Gitanjali Enclave, Dwarika, Delhi. And then inauguration should be in block highlighted letters. Okay. On Sunday, the date and everything will be there. Then at what will be the time? 11 a.m. Okay. This way you are going to write it. See, I'll show it to you. Can you see it? It won't be possible for you to see.
No, ma'am.
No,
I
ma'am.
just send the screenshot and then you can copy it down, and tomorrow we are going to practice more. Or I'll send you some questions, you can practice more. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll send
Okay,
you
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
just now only I'll send it to you on your WhatsApp group. ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
20 marks activity also. What will be the 20 marks activity? Write a book review. Write a book review on, you can choose any one chapter, select any one. Indigo you can take, Enemy or Evans Tries an O level. उस पर book review लिखना है. Take A4 size plain white sheet. Okay, at least 3 to 5 pages. समझ गए? 20 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
of 20 marks. ठीक है? चलिए बाय, टेक केयर.